let's make an onion curry like this with yogurt, with mustard, with peppers. Absolutely aromatic onion curry. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This recipe serves 3 guests. We need 200 grams of shallots. Cut across. Make a slit on the shallots. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Half teaspoon of turmeric. Half teaspoon of cumin powder. Combine well. The extra spices push into the slits. Stuff it and set it aside. Onto a pan, medium heat, 1/3 cup. Onto the hot oil, add mustard 1 teaspoon. Let it cracks. Add cumin seed 1 teaspoon. The fragrance are out. Add the chopped onions 1. Few ginger. Sliced garlic 6 cloves. Curry leaves few. And saute until soft and transparent for 5 minutes. Add turmeric half teaspoon. Chili powder 2 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala half teaspoon. Salt 1 teaspoon. Saute for 4 minutes until spices are cooked. Add 1.5 cup of tomato puree. Combine well. Bring to boil. Add water 1 cup. Give a quick stir. Add 1/4 cup of yogurt. Combine well and let it simmer. Add the stuffed shallots and the spices. Peppers diced half. Combine well. Cover it and cook for 10 minutes. Turn the heat off. A half teaspoon of methi crushed well. Combine. Rest for 10 minutes and enjoy with the lecha masala parota. The onion curry is ready. I am trying today with the lecha parota. Lecha masala parota. If you like it, the recipe is there in my channel. Let's try the onion curry first. The onions are very soft, tender. No need to bite it, just melts at your mouth. The spices are very good. Let's try with the parota. Beautiful. Beautiful spices. Very aromatic curry. Please, if you like it, please try it. If you like it, share it, comment it, and give me a support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Don't miss out to eat my way, Joss Moses Kitchen way. Enjoy and eat. Bye. See you with a new video.